Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Today we're going to be talking about trends that are back. Everybody likes a good comeback, so let's just talk about our trends. Before we get into the video though, I wanted to say thank you so much to Casetify for sponsoring this video. We'll talk about them a little later. Okay, so the first trend I wanted to talk about that is definitely back are big purses. We saw the micro purse literally not that long ago, and even last year, the season before, everybody was absolutely obsessed with the baguette bag, and I still think we are loving the baguette bag, but we're moving towards a bigger one. So this comes a lot with like the hobo style bag we're seeing. I think that they are going to literally take over the purse world. We're also seeing just like a less structured bag with these bigger purses. I think like the Balenciaga city bag is literally back in full force. Everyone's obsessed with it. It's like this moto style purse is coming a lot more in fashion. Do you guys remember when you would go to the mall and they had those kiosks of those, like, they looked like a city bag almost, but then they would have like a big bejeweled like peace sign on them? I wanted one of those so bad when I was in like middle school. All the cool high school girls had them, and I'm just waiting for the day that someone on TikTok is like Y2K and they're carrying one of those vintage bags around. I will die. I'm not saying that those are coming back, but who knows, they might. That'd be awful. But definitely a bigger purse, and honestly, I am such a fan of a bigger purse. The bigger your purse is, the smaller you look. I don't know if that's like a controversial thing to say, but it's true. So the great thing about bigger purses and just like that as a whole being a trend is that you can wear it in whatever way you're most comfortable with, whether that's crossbody or over the shoulder or even in like a fanny pack style if you like it. To be more structured or a little bit more like hobo-esque. It's whatever you like. So a super non-specific trend like that is a lot of fun because we get to see the way everybody decides to take it into their own personal style. The next trend I want to talk about also has to do with purses, and that's the crossbody bag. So again, last season, a couple seasons, we've been really into the shoulder baguette bag, and as much as I love the shoulder baguette bag, it's effing annoying. Anytime I have a bag that like can go over my shoulder, I always want it to have like an adjustable strap, so if I need to be hands-free, I can put it across my body and, you know, not think about it. It just feels a lot more safe and like you don't have to think about it. Love the crossbody. Again, this is another trend we're seeing with Balenciaga's really coming out with it, the Le Cagole. Everybody is obsessed with that bag, and even though it's a longer strap and you can wear it just like on one shoulder, it's also super cute across. You guys might have seen if you watch my TikTok, I obviously didn't want to buy the Le Cagole because $2,000 help. So I have this fanny pack from Brandy and I put it just on the absolute loosest setting. I added this Vivienne Westwood heart keychain to again mimic the Le Cagole, and I can wear it, you know, just on one shoulder or on the side, and it looks more like a purse opposed to a fanny pack. If you get a fanny pack and the strap doesn't feel long enough, you can always add an extra hole and it'll feel a lot more like a hobo style bag opposed to a fanny pack. But if you already have one, you can save money by doing that. Before we get further into this video, a trend that never goes out of style and is always back or just here to stay is protecting your phone. I don't know how many times I have to tell you guys, I love Casetify phone cases. Can you tell? I'm really proud of my collection this time for this size phone. I've literally never had a phone that doesn't have a Casetify phone case on it. Casetify's new Impact and Ultra Impact cases are made of 65% recycled and plant-based materials. They come in 100% recycled packaging, made with recycled paper and non-toxic ink made from soybeans. Their Chi-Tech 2.0 technology is drop tested approved up to 9.8 feet. They're compatible with 5G, MagSafe, and wireless charging. Casetify prides themselves on carrying the largest variety of phone case colors and designs to fit your every mood. Choose from their selection and curated prints or personalize a case with your font. Choose from their selection of curated prints or personalize a case with your favorite font and design layout for a truly custom case. Casetify's cases are 100% non-toxic and non-hazardous. They also feature an antimicrobial coating that keeps your case germ-free, killing 99% of bacteria. If you guys want your own Casetify phone case, make sure to go to casetify.com/Lainey or click the link in the description box and you can get 15% off your Casetify phone case. Thank you again, Casetify, for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the other trends. Going into our next trend kind of plays off talking about the Le Cagole and like this fanny pack strap, which is buckles. I've been seeing buckles on everything recently. And it feels very, maybe not like early 2000s, but 2000s to me. So with the Le Cagole, it has a strap like this where it feels like a belt buckle as a strap. I've been seeing so many purses doing that, and I absolutely love it. Also with like buckles as straps, having a lot of grommets. I'll put a picture of what a grommet is if you don't know. But grommets all along the strap and having it like a belt that way. Olivia Rodrigo wore a dress to some award show and it had straps as like belt buckles with those grommets again, which was so cute. The Diesel show made use of belts, like stacking and layering belts, which I just think we're going to be seeing so many buckles. Also just with like the Miu Miu flats coming like back, or just having like a resurgence where people are really liking them again, even the like platform kind. Those shoes have like the little belt buckles all across them. I just think we're going to be seeing so many more belt buckles in places where they necessarily don't have to be, and then also places that like they make sense. I hope the double grommet like belt is the next thing to come back. Honestly, like it is. It's super cute, and I think I'm going to do a video talking about whether these things are like trendy or timeless. But if you want to invest in something that has like one of these belt buckles, I don't think it's ever something that's going to go like out of style. It's just at like peak, it's trendy right now, but they're always in. Like you could always get away with wearing like a grommet full belt and it looks cute. It's just not necessarily like peak trendiness at one time opposed to another. Next trend that is absolutely back are cargo pants. I mean, we've been seeing them all freaking over. Some people are calling them parachute pants, which I guess is kind of a different thing because I'm more so talking about cargo pants. It's like parachute pants and cargo pants had a baby because they're super wide cargo pants. I used to have a pair of like parachute cargo pants that my mom got me in like 2nd grade. I think they were honestly from Justice, which is funny enough, and I love them. I felt like Avril Lavigne, and whenever I'd go in like on the swings at school, my pants would get so big and like fill with air, and that's like my core memory of my parachute cargo pants. But absolutely adorable. I love seeing so many girls dressing them up and down, dressing them up with a pair of, I have a pair literally right here, my parachute cargo pants. Mine are more so just cargo pants with like the drawstring ankles. They're actually hiking pants from the brand Mountain Hardwear. I got them on Poshmark for $30, besides the point. Wearing those though with like my Orson Iris bustier top and a little pair of kitten heels I think is so fun for like a night out or even like a day out in the summertime. I can't wait for warmer weather to wear my kitten heels. And then also wearing those with a pair of like super like the trendy running sneakers and a big crew neck, and then even like adding a buckle purse. So fun. So many ways to style the cargo pants. I am obsessed. And I have a very specific thing for liking the cargo pants. Kind of detest a high-waisted cargo pant. I am obsessed with a low-waisted cargo pant. And that's just because when I see a high-waisted cargo pant, same thing with like a high-waisted camo pant, I really don't like, because I think of like Pretty Little Thing Misguided, like Insta Baddie. But there's a totally different feeling as soon as that cargo pant or camo pant is low-waisted. But if you are an Insta Baddie, go for the high-waisted, and that's totally fine. But that would just be really weird branding for me. Next trend are big sunglasses. We saw small sunglasses for so long, and now we are super into the retro, like 60s mod, giant sunglasses. Who can be mad about this? I get being mad about those like tiny sunglasses, and even just, you know, like kinda tiny. Especially me, I have a big head, so I look weird when I wear the little ones, and I still do sometimes. But the big sunglasses, they're cute. They make everyone look good. If you already have a peanut head, just get some medium-sized sunglasses, and then they'll look like big ones. Everybody wins with the big sunglass trends. Most people lose with the tiny sunglass trend, so I stand for it. I don't really have anything else to say about that one. You can wear sunglasses anyway. I was gonna give you a way to style them, but they are sunglasses. The next trend I wrote down are skinny heel boots, pointed toe, and square toe. Very specific. Loving knee-high boots. I think everybody is. But specifically, I'm loving a knee-high boot with a stiletto heel, which is funny because we were all so into the chunky heel for so long, and I'm still into a chunky heel, but I just want to switch it up. I love the look of, again, my friend Amanda had a pair of pointed toe skinny heel boots that she brought to New York, and I wore them with my camo pants, and now I can't stop thinking about wearing my camo pants with a pointed toe shoe with a skinny stiletto heel. Are they as comfortable as a chunky heel? No. Is that something I am willing to sacrifice? Of course I am. I always do stupid stuff like that. I will literally beat up my feet to wear a cute shoe, and that's where I stand. But I also really like a square toe boot with a skinny heel. The main thing I'm really liking is a stiletto heel, even when it comes to just like a regular heel nowadays. A chunky heel does feel a lot more dressed down, and I never want to feel dressed down again in my life. I don't know, I just am really liking a stiletto heel opposed to a chunky. And I know that's gonna upset a lot of people just because the chunky heel is so much more practical and comfortable, but I'm not about practicality or being comfortable when it comes to shoes. Everything else I am. But how cute is it to wear like a pointed toe stiletto heel, maybe like one with a pop of color, and then a full baggy outfit and a crossbody bag so it kind of like keeps your figure. That's what I want. I want to talk about this is the controversy of a square toe or a pointed toe. Trendy or timeless. I'm curious to see what you guys think, but again, that'll be in an upcoming video talking about what I think. And the last trend that is absolutely back is a low-rise pant with a long top. No more crop tops for me, as I'm wearing one. I'm just so much more drawn to a longer top with a low-waisted pants. I think it really just like elongates my entire body and looks really flattering on me. Obviously that's something that is totally to a body type, but it was out of style for a really long time. It is the Elena Gilbert-esque outfit, and yeah, I remember watching that like, what, a few years ago and being like, why does Elena in Vampire Diaries, if you don't know what I'm talking about, always wearing low-waisted jeans and a long top? I'm like, she looks so stupid, and now I'm like, I want to look like her. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and remember to check out that description box or go to casetify.com/Lainey to get 15% off your Casetify phone case. Also, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. I love you so much. Bye!